The smart manufacturing landscape has witnessed swift evolution, driven by the power of AI, generative AI, big data analytics, digital twin technology, and harmonious collaboration between humans and robots. This synergy is propelling the manufacturing sector through a profound automation transformation, fundamentally revolutionizing production efficiency and steering the industry's evolution. Advantech's Smart Factory offers a range of services targeting various aspects, including real-time operation management with edge computing devices for production optimization, predictive maintenance to provide machine health conditions, and AI-based prognostics for decision-making. Vision AI enhances quality control and testing. Intelligent warehouse automation ensures efficient inventory management. Connected safety with environmental health and safety (EHS) initiatives, and a central command center that provides AI-based manufacturing insights for comprehensive process enhancement through the powerful fusion of Azure OpenAI, Advantech Wise IoT platform, and EdgeSync 360 Edge Management Service. Advantech Smart Factory stands at the forefront of co-creation with ecosystem partners to drive the rapid AI-powered digital transformation of the manufacturing industry. Advantech Intelligent Factory Solutions have ushered in a paradigm shift, moving from the automation era of Industry 3.0 to the digitalization era of Industry 4.0. Our state-of-the-art cloud edge device solutions seamlessly incorporate artificial intelligence and business intelligence, fostering collaborative efforts between humans and robots. This integration empowers agile decision-making and expedites digital transformation across diverse applications in the smart manufacturing sector. Through our close collaboration with domain partners within the Advantech industrial ecosystem, we envision a bright and promising future for Industry 5.0. Driving excellence with AI-powered Advantech Intelligent Factory.